Hello everyone, it's Iveoma, your guide to Africa, and today I'm here to break down the cost of living in Lagos, Nigeria. All of this is coming up. And to be more specific, I live on the island part of Lagos, Nigeria, which is just more expensive than the mainland. First things first, so what really influenced this video is the fact there's a lockdown right now, right? So I can't do anything, I can't go anywhere. So the only thing I'm spending money on are things I absolutely need. So let me explain how I get the US dollar equivalent. When I send money to myself, it's through SendWave. And SendWave is an app, you can send money from US banks to Nigerian banks, and the exchange rate they're using right now is 374. So that is going to influence the prices of everything I'm saying.
I'm not going to be talking about rent in this video because I actually paid my rent 1 year in advance in December. I'm going to tag the video where I show my apartment, so check that video out after you finish this one.
Internet's so important. I have Tizeti and I spend 12,500 Naira a month on internet. In US dollar, that is $33 a month. So I always supplement my internet here because it's just not the best. Although during the lockdown, it improved greatly. And I think because it wasn't so strained with like a lot of businesses around my area. I buy MTN data for 3,500 Naira a month, which is $9. Airtime is what you use to call people. I only spend 1,500 Naira a month on airtime, $4. Even before this, I really didn't spend much money on airtime because I always call people through WhatsApp anyway. The next cost is electricity. I spend 20,000 Naira every 5 weeks, is $53. 20,000 Naira is quite a bit of money to spend on electricity, but the private electricity company I'm using is just inflating the cost. I just think 20,000 is ridiculous. Technically, water is free, but I have to pay to pump the water out of the ground. It goes through a filtration system. So I spend 15,000 Naira a month, which is $40 a month. It is highway robbery. I know somebody else who told me they spend 1,500 Naira a month on water. I'm gonna do another video where I talk about things to ask your landlord before you move in, because I should not spend that much money pumping water a month for myself. It's not as if I have a family. It's not as if I am pumping water for someone else. I pump water for myself. I don't even talk. I'm getting mad. I won't even talk about it. Fuel for my car. Since I didn't drive anywhere, I haven't driven anywhere for like 6 weeks. Filled my car 6 weeks ago with 4,000 Naira. So 4,000 Naira is $11. Okay, so next up is groceries. I'm actually shocked at how much money I spend on groceries. I spend 20,000 Naira a month, which is $53. I think that's kind of a lot, especially since I'm just buying for myself. Yeah, comment below and tell me, is 20,000 Naira for a single person too much money to spend per month? So I'm gonna actually look at like why I'm spending so much money. But typically when I buy groceries, I just buy sweet potatoes, tomato, because I like to grind tomatoes and make stew, cucumber, carrot, cabbage. Oh my gosh, I love cabbage. Or lightly steaming cabbage and eating it with stew. The reason I think my grocery bill is so high is because I was bored. The only way I could go out of the house is if I went to the grocery store. So when I buy grocery, I go to the grocery store in Marketplace. And then my last bill is DSTV, 15,800 Naira, which is $42. So I cancel Netflix. So anytime I watch a Netflix movie, it would just be buffering for like minutes and minutes and minutes. I just couldn't take it anymore. DSTV is really strong. Even when it storms and it rains here, it's still going on. It doesn't go down. My internet will go down, but not DSTV. So I'm glad that I decided to upgrade and get the premium package, because before this lockdown, I was only spending about 3,500 on DSTV just so I can get local news. Okay, so let's calculate. I spend 92,300 Naira a month, which is $247. So here's some things that weren't on the list. Entertainment, so I don't go out, of course, and medical insurance. So I actually am looking for a medical insurance package right now. They're not that expensive, and I really should have one. I don't know why I didn't have one for a couple months, but I'm going to go get it, make sure I have medical coverage. Especially this pandemic has shown me how important health is and just staying healthy, you know. For a returnee, I did good. I haven't spent that much. For the average Nigerian, I have spent a lot of money. And the thing is, you have to understand that many people here are not even making 100,000 Naira a month. Like my Nigerians watching may be a little bit shocked at my bill. Thank you so much for joining me. Comment below and let me know your cost of living in your African city. Bye now.